In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word paper size. If your document keeps printing with the wrong dimensions, margins look off, or content shifts unexpectedly, the paper size setting is usually the culprit. The good news is, there's a quick, reliable way to correct it and make sure the change applies to your entire document. Start by opening your document in Word and going to the Layout tab at the top. In that ribbon, click Size. You'll see common choices like A4, letter, and legal. Pick the one that matches what you actually need. Letter is the standard in the United States, A4 is the most common in many other regions, and legal is a longer page often used for contracts or forms. As soon as you select one, Word adjusts the page canvas on screen so you can immediately see how your content reflows. For many people, this quick selection resolves printing and layout issues right away. If you want to make the change stick comprehensively, especially in documents that might have sections, go one step further. Still on the Layout tab, open Size again and choose More Paper Sizes. This opens the detailed page setup window. At the bottom of that window, look for the Apply to setting. Change it to Whole Document. This part is important. Without setting Apply to Whole Document, Word can limit changes to only the current section, which can leave you with mixed paper sizes inside one file. By choosing Whole Document, you're telling Word to use the same paper size consistently everywhere, which prevents odd page breaks and mismatched printing. Once you've set Apply to Whole Document, click OK. Your document now uses the chosen paper size uniformly. You'll typically notice that margins and line breaks adjust to fit the new page dimensions. That's normal. Word recalculates the layout based on the paper width and height you selected, which helps keep your content properly aligned for printing. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. Paper size controls the printable area and influences where Word wraps text and places headers and footers. Picking the correct size up front saves time and avoids surprises at the printer. That's it. Go to Layout, select Size, choose A4, letter, or legal as needed, then use More Paper Sizes to apply the change to the whole document and confirm with OK. With these simple steps, your document will look right on screen and on paper every time.